Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the main event of the evening. In this corner, weighing in at a SEER rating of 24, the powerhouse from Amana, the AVXC20. And in the opposite corner, weighing in at a SEER rating of 28, the challenger from Lennox, the SL28XCV. The Amana and Lennox units trade blows, their oversized gloves connecting with thunderous clanks. The audience watches in awe as the two titans battle it out, each showcasing their unique features and capabilities. Lennox SL28XCV lands a body blow with its energy savings, while Amana AVXC20 lands a combination of blows with its great warranty and lower cost. We're witnessing a true clash of the titans here, folks. Who will emerge victorious in this battle of HVAC supremacy? And the winner by knockout, the Amana AVXC20.